This video, and its associated YouTube shorts, is focused primarily on the most serious potential adverse events, or side effects, of this product. These selected highlights do not include all the information needed to use this product safely and effectively. The information presented is sourced from available manufacturer websites, as well as the FDA label information. You can review this information yourself, in full, by following the links provided below in the description section of this video. There are risks and benefits with the use of every medicine or device. Generally speaking, users who experience serious side effects of any medication or device should contact your healthcare provider or seek medical attention immediately. Always consult your healthcare provider before stopping or making changes to your medications. Georgetown University's Health Policy Institute reported that 66%, or 130 million adults in the United States, take a prescription drug. There is no doubt that these drugs have helped millions of people. And it is generally understood that all FDA-approved products have both risks and benefits. However, these are not always thoroughly explained to every patient or their caregiver. In fact, the independent think tank Nuffield Trust reported on several hospital surveys conducted with their patients. The patients were asked if a staff member had told them about medication side effects to watch for when they went home. Of those who answered the surveys, 40% said they were not told while in the urgent care center or the ER. And only 28% of hospital inpatients stated they received an explanation of the potential side effects. Patients have the right to know about the side effect profile or the medications they are being asked to take, because they can have a severe negative impact on their health. According to the CDC, adverse drug events cause approximately 1.3 million emergency department visits each year. Of those, about 350,000 each year need to be hospitalized for further treatment for adverse drug events. A 2014 Harvard University article by Dr. Donald Light stated, quote, "About 328,000 patients in the U.S. and Europe die from prescription drugs each year." With this lack of education for the patient, it is even more critical to know when a medication has potentially serious or even life-threatening side effects. That's why the FDA warns patients and healthcare providers about these potential issues. They do this by issuing a specific type of warning called a black box warning. Pharmafactz.com states that a black box warning, often referred to as simply a box warning, is the strongest warning issued by the FDA in the United States on drugs that carry specific health risks, serious or life-threatening adverse effects. The Cleveland Clinic further states that a black box may also be used to communicate important instructions for safe use of the drug. And the National Library of Medicine advises that there are over 400 different medications that have black box or box warnings. So that begs the question, if there are over 400 medications currently on the market with black box warnings, how frequently are they prescribed to patients? Well, according to the Pharmacy Times website, one study found that within a 2.5-year period, more than 40% of patients received at least one medication that carried a black box warning. Due to the potential for serious adverse events, Cyltezo is one of the medications the FDA has required a black box warning be placed in its label. This warning can be reviewed in Cyltezo's prescribing information document, which you can find a link to in the description below. Undoubtedly, Cyltezo will help many people. However, its medication guide warns, in part, that Cyltezo affects your immune system and can lower its ability to fight infections. And the black box warning describes the potential for two very serious adverse events or side effects. The first subject of the black box warning is entitled Serious Infections. It reveals an increased risk of serious infections leading to hospitalization or death, including tuberculosis, bacterial sepsis, invasive fungal infections, such as histoplasmosis, and infections due to other opportunistic pathogens. The second subject of the black box warning is entitled Malignancies, and alerts you to the fact that it has been associated with various cancers. In addition, lymphoma and other malignancies, some fatal, have been reported in children and adolescent patients treated with the same class of medications, including those with the same ingredient as Cyltezo. Serious infections and malignancies are the only two Cyltezo side effects given a black box warning. However, there are an additional 8 others associated with Cyltezo that are potentially serious. Number 1. Allergic reactions. Symptoms of a serious allergic reaction can include hives, trouble breathing, and swelling of your face, eyes, lips, or mouth. Number 2. Blood problems, meaning decreased blood cells that help fight infections or stop bleeding. Symptoms of blood problems include a fever that does not go away, bruising or bleeding very easily, or looking very pale. Number 3. Heart failure, both new or worsening. Symptoms include shortness of breath, swelling of your ankles or feet, and sudden weight gain. Number 4. Hepatitis B infection in carriers of the virus. Symptoms include muscle aches, feeling very tired, having dark urine, skin or eyes that look yellow, having little or no appetite, experiencing vomiting, having clay-colored bowel movements, fever or chills, experiencing stomach discomfort, or having a skin rash. Number 5. Liver problems. Symptoms include feeling very tired, skin or eyes that look yellow, having a poor appetite, experiencing vomiting, or pain on the right side of your stomach. These problems can lead to liver failure and death. Number 6. Lupus-Like syndrome. Symptoms include chest discomfort or pain that does not go away, shortness of breath, feeling joint pain, or having a rash on your cheeks or arms that gets worse in the sun. Number 7. Nervous system problems. Signs and symptoms include numbness or tingling, problems with your vision, weakness in your arms or legs, and dizziness. Number 8. Psoriasis, both new and worsening psoriasis. Symptoms include having red scaly patches or raised bumps that are filled with pus. Responsible healthcare providers will always educate their patients or caregivers about the possible side effects of this product and all others they prescribe. In particular, those which carry a black box warning for potential serious or life-threatening side effects. This video has only touched on a small portion of this product's approved label. There are studies listed in this product's prescribing information that have shown additional side effects. And the highlights mentioned in this video does not include all the information needed to use this product safely and effectively. Therefore, links to the complete FDA label information and manufacturer's product website have been provided in the description section below. We highly encourage you to read these documents in their entirety and refer all questions to a medical professional. In addition, we hope this information will help you have a better understanding of the potential side effects associated with this product, so you can have a more informative conversation with your healthcare provider. In the Cyltezo playlist, you can find an abbreviated short video for each side effect mention. And please do share this video, or one of the respective shorts, with those who you believe might benefit. Due to the lack of allowable space in the description section of YouTube videos, you can find a link to this channel's video entitled Channel Disclaimer Information in the description section below. This will provide you with both our full disclaimer and contact information.